What's up, y'all? Ranks Banks, the wealthy trader, tapping in with some more fire, lit, authentic content. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification if you want to be notified when a trader like me, who's showing their journey to consistent profitability, uploads and shares some stuff. If you want that, tap in. And if you're a returning person, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Y'all, today is a great day. My landlord, he brought our car back, bought us some food, but more so importantly, I'm gonna show y'all how I was able to get 100 points on a NAS trade using ICT Silver Bullet setup.
What did you just say?
That is the method I've been trading for about a month now, and it's been like, I've been getting crazy results from it. I was trading it on demo, but today, well, actually a few days ago is when I went live with it. So I'm gonna take you into my computer and I'm gonna show you the trade that I took today. Let's get into it. But before I get into this video, y'all get into this bite. This is what they sent us up here.
What is that?
We've been talking about how we tired of rice and beans. And you see what? You see what happens when the universe, the powers that be, the most high, whatever it is that you believe in? Yeah, you should believe in something, but
Really? Really?
nonetheless, when that comes through for you, this is what happens. I'm about to smash this. All right, so it is clearly like a whole nother day. And I told you I was going to show you the breakdown of the NAS trade that I took on Friday. Today is Sunday. So I'm going to hop in my computer and we're going to get into this. I'm going to show you on FX Replay because that's just what I've been using for back testing. It gives me more data than TradingView does. So we're going to hop into the computer. We're going to look at FX Replay. And if you're interested in FX Replay, let me know and I can get you plugged in with that. Or maybe I'll just drop the link in the description. Other than that, let's get into this NAS trade and show you how I was able to get over 100 points on NAS on Friday. Let's go. All right, we're going to do this one more time. This is like the fourth time at this point.
You tripping.
That I'm recording this, recording this. That just makes me feel like somebody really should see this. And some negative entity or energy doesn't want to allow this to flow.
Here we go again!
But I'm at FX Replay. If you want to backtest your method, your strategy, just click create a session. You select the dates that you would like to test. Go all the way back to 2020. But, oh, actually, it goes back further. I never went back that far. But that's something that's good to know. We're going to get back up here to where we belong, though. In the 2023s. And it's from Friday. So we're going to do Friday at 12 o'clock in the a.m. is when we're going to start it. And we're going to end it today. It doesn't matter because I'm not going to go that far. But this the New York a.m. Silver Bullet. If you don't know about the Silver Bullet, it's an ICT strategy he laid out on his page. I'm going to drop the link of the video that I watched a few weeks ago that helped me with this strategy. Shout out to SMC Casper. We're going to remove these indicators because we don't need those. We're going to set this to New York time because I only trade between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And actually, let me clear that up. My setup has to present itself during that time. I use pending orders, limit orders, whatever you want to call them. As long as I'm tapped in before 4 o'clock, I got to be in and out my trade by 4 p.m. Whatever your method is, if you trade London, you want to set your open time to London time, you can do that there. All right, so as you can see, this is Friday, September 29th at 10 a.m. Now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the first fair value gap to form. And whatever fair value gap that is, that's going to determine whether I'm going to be in a sell or buy. I don't need no daily bias, no weekly bias, none of that for this method. So let's play this thing out and see what's up. All right, let's see. That's the 10 o'clock candle right there. Boom. No fair value gap. No fair value gap. Still no fair value gap. We may have a fair value gap coming, but you got to be patient, because if not, if you just assume, you could get clipped. Boom, we got a fair value gap. And if you don't know what a fair value gap is or how to identify them, I can make a video about that. But in short, if you look at all the candles, wicks, they usually drive into the body and it is like a complete candle. Whereas, see, this wick drove all the way into this body, this candle right here, tap down in here, there's no gap in here. But if you can look here, you'll see a gap. All right, let me make this a little bigger. So boom, we're going to draw out this fair value gap here. So with the fair value gap, all I'm waiting for is, I don't care how deep into this fair value gap price gets, I just have to make sure that my order is set to go as soon as it taps in. That's the mistake I was making before with trading fair value gaps. I used to try to figure out if I wanted to do 50% of the fair value gap, which is equilibrium. If I wanted to do the top of it, the bottom. No, I'm just going with the bottom, because sometimes it don't always go up. So this is going to be our entry point right here. And with this method, you're supposed to put your stop loss above the high of the candle, the fair value gap candle. A fair value gap pattern is a 3-candle pattern. So this right here would technically be the high of this candle that you put your stop loss over. But me, I like to give it a little breathing room, because you know, these brokers, they be brokering.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know what you're saying.
All right. And I go for 1 and 2. Now I took 2 trades on Friday, so I was able to get a little bit more than a 1 and 2 on one of them. All right, there we go. We just gonna rock with that. You want to go over here, you want to place the order, you can set it to 1% of your balance, and this a limit order. It's gonna tell me a limit order can be placed below. Oh, I'm tripping, that's a buy. See, I'm sleepy, y'all. Bear with me. It's a sell limit. So we're going to sell this, and it's telling me my order not complete. That's because this stuff didn't automatically fill in. So, all right, let's see if it does it. Be selling this. Come on, bro. That's wild. All right, let me move this up a little bit. Sometimes you got to play with it. Actually, no, sometimes you don't. But there you go. See, it popped up all the parameters for me. If I lose this trade, I lose $100. If I win, if it hit TP, it's $211 based off of me risking 1% of my trade. And I'm gonna make a video about risk management and how I used to. I mean, everybody do it differently. I like to do percentages, but I'll get into that in another video. This is set for a sell limit. We're gonna save this. So boom, now my parameters are the trade has to be closed by 4 o'clock. So that's 1600 military time. Shout out to all the vets and the people in the military now. And we're gonna run this forward. Boom. All right, so we tapped in. It's going against us. Now see, this is where back testing is very important, because before I would freak out, close this trade, and get into a buy. All right, but I'm confident in my setup, so that's how we rocking. You see that it's taking off, come back up, and boom, TP smack at 12:55. So I was in this trade for what? From 10:30 to 12:55. And that's how I was able to go ahead and get over 100 points on NAS on Friday. The thing that I love about this is, so now that I'm done, let me just show you a little bit more. Let me show you a little bit more. It tells me the simulation has finished. Would you like to stay here or go to the analytics? We can go to the analytics. And this is the good part, y'all. So obviously it's going to say 100% win rate, because we only took one trade. It was a winning trade. We up 2% on the account. All right. So if this was a funded, you are a quarter way with your finish, or a quarter way to your profit target. But the thing that I love about this, I love a lot about it, but it tells you your average duration. So when I get in trades in the live market, I know if this was based off of like 30 trades and it said that my average duration is 2 hours and 17 minutes, if I'm in a trade for 15 minutes and it ain't moving in my direction, I know it can take like 2 hours and 17 minutes. So I just got to be patient. But yeah, some pretty good things on here. This even tells you, like, it breaks down the days of the week for you. And a whole lot of other stuff. I'm gonna actually make a video about Forex, FX replay. I think because I want to do more back testing on GU on the strategy. So drop a comment in the comment section and let me know if you want to see me back test GU using Forex replay, and that'll show you more about how to use this tool. All right, y'all, I'm about to go because I'm sleepy. I know it's only 10:10, but here where I'm at, the sun comes up at like 5 o'clock. So I've been up since like 5:30. About to get me some rest so I can be ready for tomorrow. I appreciate you for sticking around. If you're still here, smash the thumbs up. Go ahead and tap that bell. And also, more importantly, subscribe to the channel. I'm growing this channel, and I want you to let me know what type of content you would like to see in the comment section. I'm always be asking that so I can make sure I'm giving you what it is that you desire, the things that's going to help you on your journey as well, because this is my channel. It's about my journey, but I'm also doing this to help you out. And if I can, we're going to make that happen. All right, y'all. Peace, love, and positive vibes. Remember, never quit. Rank signing out.